everyone, using the comb, make a zigzag pattern at the top of the hair in the middle, and now partition the hair accordingly. Taking a section from each of the sides, twist the hair, and now clip it up in the middle section of the hair as such. However, do not clip it up before you twist it, and once you are done twisting it, slightly puff it outward. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and loosen the sides of the ponytail using your fingers. Add a rubber band at the end of this ponytail, and now lift it up, make it into a bow-like shape, and then clip it up using a decorative large clip. Take a comb and make a zigzag pattern out of the middle section of the hair, and now partition it. Tie a rubber band making 2 sections out of each of the sides, and now make the sections all the more prominent. Roll the hair in on itself and now tighten it. Add a rubber band at the back section of it and do the same on the other side as well. After you are done rolling both of the sections in on themselves, slightly loosen it and puff it outwards. Join the two together at the back in the middle as such. Now use a decorative clip at the base of it and puff it out as such. Leave it as a ponytail. Next, take a section of the hair from the middle at the top, twist it slightly, and now clip it up as such. Now loosen the sections of the hair using your fingers and take a section from the middle in the side, and afterwards begin to twist this section of it as well. Clip it up at the back. Take a section of the hair from the side once more, twist it, and now clip it up at the back and puff it up before you do so. Now comb the rest of the hair at the back in place and slightly loosen the sections you have created. Take a section of the hair from the middle, section it out and add a rubber band, and then roll the hair in on itself from the back to the front as such. Tighten it once you are done and puff it out using your fingers. Gather all of the hair together and then tie a ponytail out of it. Loosen the sections using your fingers, add a rubber band at the end of it, and now fold it into a bow. Clip it up in place using this decorative clip. Thank you for watching.